Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. It's been a while. Today's recipe, if you can call it a recipe, is Padron Peppers. Great with a nice cold beer. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below or on screen now. Okay, the first thing you do for this is heat some oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's nice and hot, chuck in the peppers. Don't stir them round straight away, leave them sit in the hot oil so the skin blisters and takes on some colour. And when this is achieved, turn them over so the next side blisters up and takes on some colour. Continue to do this until all sides are blistered up nicely and the peppers are turned soft. Then remove from the pan and place in a suitably sized serving bowl. Then sprinkle with a generous portion of rock salt and pepper. Or you could use chaat masala, that's quite nice. And there you have it. Not exactly a recipe, but it's tasty all the same. Don't forget the cold beer. We do hope you fancy this recipe and give it a try sometime. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.